Hey there, my name is Ricky Hayes and I'm from Debutify, and welcome to today's video. Today we're going to be discussing the best types of marketing to bring new traffic to your brand in 2023 and beyond. Now, let's just jump straight into the top points, and the top points are influencer marketing. Influencer marketing is now deemed as the best cold traffic marketing source for brands all around the world. We're seeing huge companies using that to acquire new traffic compared to paid ads traditionally. This is because trust in influencers is a lot greater than running cold ads to new customers, because the influencers have already built that trust and rapport with them. So make sure you focus on influencer marketing on YouTube, on Instagram, and TikTok. As a pro tip, I find YouTube influencers is the best because you pay for the promotion and it stays long term through Google search being SEO, not just a short term post. So you've got a lot of additional benefits. Number two, search engine marketing. SEO is right up there as cold again, as it is a very long-term strategy. We're talking 6-12 months, and harnesses the power of search engine through Google and Bing, for example, for stable, reliable, quality traffic to your website time and time again. I find this is the best method as you have the most control, because it helps you greatly over the long term with your brand. It requires a lot of consistent hard work, relationships, and so on, but it is by far the best in terms of consistent traffic, price, quality, and profits for your business. Number three is referral marketing. Referral marketing, as the name suggests, is referring business to your business from another business. This is again a very admin heavy related task, and it requires a lot of networking. So the results won't be immediate, but still it will help you over the long term, and we find time and time again referral marketing works exceptionally well. So people referring a friend to your business will help them get a kickback, and you get a kickback of another customer to your business pretty much for free compared to paid ads. So it's a lot cheaper, and they usually will spend a lot more. Now, these are my top 3 best types of marketing that you can implement in your business today. You will notice that these are very hard to do, as they require a lot of administration, patience, and consistency and existing knowledge to be able to do. Now, look, I'm not going to lie. You can hire people through various platforms and agencies to help do this and guide you for it. But again, that's based on your budget and what you're willing to spend. I strongly recommend that you learn how to do this yourself and start there, then delegate it to people within your business. Okay, that is the best way to do this as well. I know that means a lot more work for you up front, but this will help you maintain your profitability and allow you to scale your business over the long term instead of trying to step back and get others to do it. You will learn a long-term skill. Okay, so it is very important that you start doing this, because we're in a very challenging environment. Using very hard marketing platforms to get started will give you a competitive edge over the long term. Okay, now if you want a video of me breaking these 3 down further and how that sort of works from SEO, influence marketing, referral marketing, please don't hesitate to ask and comment that down below. If you did enjoy today's video, please be sure to like and subscribe for more value content. Until next week's video, thank you very much for your time. Take care and goodbye.